Hi there, warrior. God bless you. How are you? I hope that you're doing well. Today, I just wanted to share our Christmas basket. Would you love to see what's inside? I would love for you to stay tuned. Let's go. Consider subscribing to our channel and check out this cool video we just made about the Sabbath activities in regards to the What We Believe book series. I'll link it in the description box. Okay, so we are Team Jesus here during Christmas. So I, the mama, have put together a Christmas basket. I usually do like a Christmas shelf activity, but that's been occupied with the Sabbath shelf that I just recently posted. So we ought to have a basket that I just put the essentials. I usually put a lot more activities, a lot more this, a lot more that. Nonetheless, we're still going to have an awesome Christmas. The shelf is not what's important. What's important that we're filled with the truth of Jesus, his message, and his glorified coming to earth. And here we're just have some important activities. It's funny because we have this in the attic, and I was just thinking to myself and just talking to God, man, I wish I had these little things that were on top inside the storage, and I didn't tell my husband nothing, literally. And out of nowhere, he went in the storage and got a couple things. Some of the things we just made today, which I will post this video soon, this one. And so nonetheless, I'm going to go around and just show you what we have in our Christmas basket. So first and foremost, we have a couple of nativities. There's 3 nativities here, and all of these are Jesus-based books and other things that I put here. I think we have more, but these are just the essentials that I put here. All right, so let's start. These are 3 nativities, and they're different kinds of nativities. So let's put this one together. Okay, this is our first nativity, and I think we've had this for literally like 6 years or so. My husband bought these at, I think, a Family Dollar years ago, and these animals were from like a little Playmobil type thing. And this is a ceramic type of Christmas thing that one of my children did, and I just happened to put it here in the middle. So this is just for play and drama, and this helps a child to put together the story of Jesus during Christmas. Now, I just want to point out that we do not know exactly, well, we do know roughly the time where Jesus was born. Yes, it's not on December 25th, but this is the time that we ought to celebrate it, and we do. So it's like I see it like your birthday. Like your birthday, let's say, is today, but you're going to celebrate it like a week or 2 from now because you're going to go on vacation that time. So you like quote unquote celebrating it. So this is basically us celebrating Jesus on Christmas Day, which is December 25th. So we are quite aware that is not the actual date, but we celebrate him nonetheless. It's Team Jesus here all the way. So this nativity here, I believe I have recorded a video. I have not uploaded yet. This is a nativity that we got from the Goodwill one day, and I will put in a description box below when I do upload it, because I'm telling you something. I make videos and I don't upload them maybe for like a month after I make them, because I'm a busy mama. It takes time for me to make them, to edit them, and then upload them. So sometimes I just don't even know. Sometimes I have some videos and it's like, oh my God, I forgot to upload that. And I literally have videos on my phone right now that I probably needed to upload like 4 months ago. I kid you not. But nonetheless, this is a nativity that we got from the Goodwill, and I will put it together for you. So this is another nativity, and this is like these kind of like wooden circular ovalish type of wooden toys. That's Jesus, Mary, Joseph, the angel. I just think the angel's so cute. Look at the angel. It has the wings. These are the three kings here. And then my children added some extra Playmobiles from other games there. And these are the little animals. I think that's a sheep. And I don't know what this is. Might be a lion. So this is a lion here. It looks like a lion because it has a tail. I don't know. What do you think this one is? Okay, that's number 2. Okay, we got these from my blog. I hope to post it on the description box below. Please give me some time for my links. I always say I'm going to put things on the bottom. And for one reason or another, I just can't find them. I can't go around. I forget to put it. So we are working ourselves through our Sabbath school lessons here, here, and here is our what we needed to do, which it was nativity. So I went online and I looked for a free printable type thing that we can have, and I made a video about this today. I hope to upload it soon. And nonetheless, it's just puppets. Let me get them all out. So they're super, super cute. We just did them this morning. This is Joseph. We laminated them. And this is baby Jesus, Mary, the three kings, angel. Okay, baby. These are the little animals. So it's super cute. One that we're going to just play around with this whole Christmas season. Okay, we're moving along here. This is our Snuggle Time Christmas stories. We got this from, this was a gift, and I believe it's a gift. So happy birthday Jesus, Snuggle Time Christmas, heaven gift. It's beautiful. It's the stories and like a prayer, I think. Something that I like to do with my children all year, every year, and it's to sing happy birthday to Jesus. We just get like a regular cupcake or anything, put a candle, and just and sing happy birthday. Okay, this is a advent calendar that I did a long time ago, probably 4 years ago, and I would post the video. I do have this video in my channel where I did this. These are not from me, of course. I got them from a free blog, and I would put that video on the description box below, and that video will have the link to this if you would want to. I show you how I did it, how I go about with it, and I can't quite find the pieces that went with this, but anyway, for now we're gonna clip through our way through. Okay, and this is every day you have a Bible verse, and you can just read that Bible verse, and this is your advent calendar. Okay, so this is a book that I got from the Dollar Tree, I believe. Give me thumbs up if you remember this book, I think a couple years ago. So the Christmas story, and I really like this because it is exactly how we're supposed to celebrate Christmas. There's no need for no Santa Claus or nothing. So we celebrate Jesus here, Team Jesus all the way. And I really love the illustration, nice and bold colors, and it's big pictures. It tells you exactly how it is in the Bible. And I believe this was just $1, literally just $1 at the dollar store. Okay, another book that we can work ourselves through. This book, I do have a video about it. I was supposed to do Vlogmas with this, but it just didn't work out. It just didn't. I didn't get to even start. I just did the flip through. And so the flip through, if you really want to see this flip through and get it for yourself, it is really beautiful. You get yourself a little mini tree, and then you keep decorating it, and it's your Advent. It's an Advent calendar tree. So it's really beautiful. Every day you have like a story, and then you have like a little something to do, and like a little extra tip or I don't know, pep talk about Christmas. So it's really nice. I think it's really pretty, really family oriented. It's really nice to have this book. I just never got a chance to do it. I just left it in the channel just in case someone does or thinking about getting it. So you see every day your tree keeps filling up. It keeps filling up, and it's beautiful. You read the stories, you do the songs or whatever, bake some cookies. It literally tells you everything that you have to go and get. I would suggest you go ahead and read ahead and see what it is that you need to go and buy. So I think, in my opinion, this is why I didn't get to, because I'm not big in going shopping around this time for things like that. You know, I may probably look through it and then probably order it. Now that we have Instacart and we have, these grocery stores after, we couldn't go outside, they actually have the groceries ready for you when you order them, then it makes it a lot more easier if you got to go get a pack of cookies or something, So nonetheless, this is a beautiful, beautiful thing. It gives you like a list, or I guess, Christmas card list, shopping list, because the thing is, the shopping got to me. I can't be going out here just shopping just for 1 or 2 pieces. Nonetheless, I think it was a lack of organization in my part, but this is a really, really nice book. I got this at the thrift store for maybe $1 or $2. And if you're thinking about getting it, then this is basically my review for this book. And this is just a dollar store coloring book that is truly just about the real Christmas, which is, about Jesus. And I've had this for years. And we just work ourselves through them, just, coloring it and here and there. That's it. So these are the other coloring books that you can get. And any coloring book that is faith-based, Christian, I am all in. Anyway, nonetheless, I hope that you enjoyed this little basket that we put together for our Christmas festivities. And here in our home, we're very, I guess, humble in that aspect. I like to just keep it simple. I'm a busy mama, truly like decorating too much for Christmas or anything like that, because I think I'm considering myself like minimalist. Like little bit goes a long way, and all that work that we get to put in to put all that decorations and then take them all out, I just don't have that time. I'm a busy mama, as you are too, trying to cook, try to homeschool, try to this, try to that. I mean, it is a lot of work. So nonetheless, I try to keep it minimal here. And what matters is family and God and all of that. All the extra stuff, it is not here at home. I'm definitely not that way. Anyway, hope that you're having a blissful Christmas season, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, post them in the description box below, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I would love for you to consider subscribing to our channel. Here, I like to make videos about homemaking, being a mom, homeschooling, and being that fearless warrior mama in the Lord that we know we can be. God bless you.